have a look. Peggy Wonder, here we go. A friend told them they would pay to have a personal organizer to get their kid to clean up the bedroom. I love the idea of working with kids. We did a couple of sessions and they went really well. The father, a special ed teacher, suggested various schools, PTAs, and so on to get in touch with as ways to reach out to other parents. Any suggestions on how to go about reaching out and what kind of introductory offer to make?
That's great. Well, first of all, I would also post in the Facebook group and ask the same question of the groups. I think there'll probably be lots of answers. But my thought would be, um, just put it out to your own network first, your own friends and family, and say, hey, I've got this thing. Who's interested? You might be able to fill quite a lot of slots and get the ball rolling just with that. But if that doesn't do it, I'd be thinking about maybe local parenting coaches, or yeah, kids programs. I don't know how old the kids are that you're thinking of, but there's other programs where the parents send those kids. Everything from summer camps to leadership things in particular. And then, so anyway, there's lots of hubs. I probably don't have all the best ideas, but right, you think, okay, so also just psychographically, who are the parents that I want? What are they into? What values do they have that I would really enjoy working with them, and that they'd be an ideal client too? But they have kids, so you think about that. And then I would also get, if the with the parents' permission, of course, get before and after photos. You might even get a testimonial from the kid. You might get a video testimonial from the kid if the kid's up for it. And then other kids could see what kids had done with their rooms, and parents could see, like, oh my god. Or you could get the parents talking about it. Okay, here's the room before, here it is after. Amazing. So you just want to make sure you get consent of the kid and the parent in that. But my dear friend Larissa Toroshenko on Salt Spring Island, has a cleaning and reorganizing business, and she's done this with kids. And it is powerful. She's done it connected to rites of passage. Like, okay, you're getting older, and your relationship with your parents are changing, and this is a good time. Now let's look at your room. This is your room as a kid. You're not quite a kid anymore. You're getting older. So how do you want it to be? And there's a whole conversation. And the kids love it. Oh, I could move this here, and then this could be, as they're starting to figure out this journey towards adulthood, changing their space can be a part of that. So people who do rites of passage work, men's work, women's circle, all this, it's a real easy fit if somebody's into that. So there's the art of mentoring. There's the all the 8 Shields groups. There's the Mankind Project are all good hubs for this. Yeah, those are my thoughts.
What a beautiful idea. What an interesting intersection. It's super interesting.